Any questions?
I just want to review some of the numbers because I heard a number of different ones, and I'm looking at a number of different ones. So the annual debt service at 2.75% is about $835,000.
That's right.
Correct?
Yes.
Okay. On page 2, I've got it was expected to be under 3%, and the annual debt service is expected to be under $895,000.
Well, that wouldn't be expected. That would be the outside parameter that we were discussing earlier. That's the if it's more than those amounts, then the staff cannot proceed with the bond issue without bringing it back to the city council.
Right, but then when we talk about what that highest amount is, now on page 4, we said that was 3.38%, and earlier, I think it was you that said that that came out to about $895,000.
Right. That's just another measure of the parameter. It's putting an interest rate on $895,000 a year. That's what the 3.38% does. So that's the authority. You, the city councilor, telling the staff, well, if it's more than that, you got to come back.
I understand that. What's not squaring up with me is that we have an estimate. You said there was an estimate of $895,000 for 3.38%, but on the other page it says $895,000 is 3%.
No, I don't know where are you looking? Where do you see that?
Page 2, second paragraph.
It says the expected interest rate is supposed to be under 3%, and the annual debt service is expected to be under 895. So less than.
Okay. Just see. You see where I'm just having trouble squaring it up, though? If 895 is at 3.38, you see what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay. So I just wanted to make sure we're on the. Okay. Because when you look at the difference between that, and I know that, we talked that that's the upper limit, that's still 1.2 million over the 20 years. So that's a huge difference in what we're paying. So, and then I just wanted to, so the water utility fund operating revenues are 17.7 million, which is 3 times what the annual debt service is.
Yeah,
more than 3 times.
The net revenue,
right.
The revenues minus the operating expenses.
So it's well within the means of that fund to be able to pay the debt service.
Which is hence the AA+ rating
Okay.
and so forth, yes.
Okay.